Hey, you okay, Bubba? Tis the season I hate the most. I cannot stand winter, but I figure if I maybe get some of my favorite things winter capable and ready, I might not hate winter so much. Unlike Nate, who's in the garage, he loves winter. What are you doing?
Fixing the shifter. Some doofus broke it off. And then we're gonna be putting a set of studded tires on this. You gotta get outside in the snow. I feel like that's the best way to do it. Weld the shifter back on.
Even though these 4 snow tires, they're actually pretty good in the snow, even though these ones are totally cooked. But studded tires gonna do the trick because Nathan lives right on the river.
Yeah, and we're gonna be riding that. I got my bike too studded up. There's a little clip somewhere of that. All right, so as you can see, we haven't gotten much snow. Last time I put the snow bike kit on the 450 and I haven't been able to ride it. So now I got the 250 here at my home shop and we got the studded tires because, well, why not? River's frozen. If we can't ride on snow, we may as well ride on ice. And this is gonna be my goal for today. It's something I've never done before, so you have to stick around, see how that goes. It's gonna be fun. Right now there's almost a little bit too much snow for it, but hopefully the thought is, at least then with the studs, if we dig through the snow, we'll catch the ice and still be able to grip up and have some fun. But I don't know, we'll have to see how that one goes. Behold, stud tires. We should probably brought those in last night. They're a little
Frozen solid. We're gonna have to put them next to the heater. That's that background sound you hear. Please hold. Little break in our regular scheduled program. Nathan needed snow pants and we needed to get fuel. So we're gonna check out his bike with the studs on it.
Put a cover on it because my brother was polishing wheels the other day. But
Hey. Oh yeah.
So far I tried it once and it was pretty fun for like the first 5 minutes. And then I parked it because I was like, oh, I gotta wait get the rest on film in case something goes wrong. But I don't know, it's pretty fun.
He's talking about these studded tires, baby. Check it out. Yep, that's pretty radical, man. Pretty wild. And there's a sled. You might remember that sled from previous videos. That was a good one.
And that
Oh, well, this is what's left of the one that went airborne. Ooh, that's probably in this video. So. Ooh, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm coming at you live from Nathan's truck.
Yeah.
And it's winter time and we don't do enough around here in the winter. Now that Nathan's hanging around with us, it gives us kind of a reason to start living the winter a bit and enjoying it. So we're gonna, well, he's gonna go out to the compound in the back and just do something stupid. So, you wanna explain what you're doing?
My goal is to clear the big jump with what we call beater sled. I say they're sacrificial pieces of equipment just because you don't care what happens to them. But I got in the back of the truck right now and we're gonna go and try and do that because we gotta have some fun. So
all right, we haven't been back here in a minute, but Mother Nature took a piece. Got some branches on the ground. Whoa. Yeah, should have brought a chainsaw for that part. Just plan on hitting this jump. You see the suspension on the Skidoo? It's nowhere near as big as that jump.
this thing starts like a dream.
aftermath. Nice bow in the front.
Yeah, maybe the present. If you look, I probably won't see it, but no light. Here, 1 second. If you look at all the wrinkles up there.
Oh, yeah, right there. Oh, that's not supposed to be like that, folks.
No. That sled's folded right in half. And it's not very good, so I think this frame is pretty much retired now. So I gotta figure out something for that. Think of something to put motor in.
Look at that. Interesting. Okay, it's playtime. Let's get through the camera. We got studded tires on there. Testing that thing. And then he said he's not going to do anything crazy, but let's see what happens. Four-wheeler stuff. Now we're gonna go get the snow bike.
Fucking sweet.
Stuck good, man. That's a good truck. Oh, I need those gloves that you can operate a touchscreen with. So, sorry I had to get you out of my dad's backyard there. I was looking out the window thinking, those guys got a track in the back and he's ripping out my backyard and making noise.
Yeah.
Turning around and throwing his exhaust in my window. Yes, I said it was your idea. Yeah. Nathan really wanted to do. He wanted to impress his Uncle Donnie.
Exactly. Tell him that. He'll be happy. Yeah. Snow drifts are pretty fun though.
Yeah.
They look cool.
For sure.
They look good.
Too bad you put all them dirt piles here, eh?
Yeah, I know. Well, it's because there's not many snow drifts here.
No. It's weird that there's so much more on that section. It's the same.
I know.
Like,
I don't understand why.
same amount of trees.
I think it's
same
the ditch on the other side, so the snow from the field get possible. It's something stupid.
Okay. That's crazy. But he's a stunt rider because I don't know if I'd be doing that. Oh! Man, that kicked me off pretty good. Safely say that, well, the idea was to get all our toys ready for winter, and I think our toys are definitely ready for winter. Party on, dudes. Excellent! Yeah. Watch your head. Huh. Got a little bit, huh? Hey, shut the door. Shut the door. Because we ain't hitting Howard, buddy. Put it on neutral. Let's go. Watch out. Oh. So you learn how to drive.